Do you ever feel like your paycheck disappears before you know it? If you're nodding your head, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to share simple budgeting hacks that can help you take control of your money and ease the stress of living paycheck to paycheck. Let's be honest, managing money can feel overwhelming. Many of us worry about bills, unexpected expenses, and missing out on opportunities. But budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's about giving you the power to decide where your money goes so you can enjoy life without constant worry. Think about the last time you felt stressed about money. Maybe you had to skip a fun outing or missed out on a small treat because you were saving every cent. That feeling of uncertainty stops here. By creating a budget, you can see exactly where your money is going and plan for the future. Imagine knowing that you're building a safety net with every dollar you save. That feeling of control can change your life. The 50-30-20 budget breakdown, one of the simplest ways to start budgeting, is with the 50-30-20 rule. It works like this: 50% for needs. This is for your rent, bills, groceries, and transportation. These are the must-haves. 30% for wants. Enjoy things like dining out, entertainment, or a little shopping. 20% for savings and debt. This money goes toward building your savings or paying off loans. By dividing your income this way, you can make sure you cover your basics, treat yourself occasionally, and still save for the future, all without feeling guilty. Track your spending. Know where your money goes. Now, how do you know if you are sticking to your budget? The answer is simple: track your spending. There are many budgeting apps that can automatically record your expenses. If you prefer a hands-on approach, try keeping a simple spreadsheet or even a journal. When you review your spending regularly, you might be surprised to see little expenses add up. This awareness is the first step to making smart changes. Cut the fat. Smart ways to save money. Sometimes a few small changes can free up extra money. Start by looking at your regular bills. Can you negotiate a lower rate for your phone or internet? Cooking at home instead of eating out can save a lot. 2. And take a look at any subscriptions or memberships you might not really use. These simple adjustments can add up, leaving you with more money for what truly matters. If you're just starting out, remember these key tips. Start small. Focus on one area at a time, like tracking your grocery spending. Be patient. Good budgeting habits take time to build. Ask for help. Don't be afraid to consult a financial advisor or someone who understands budgeting well. Every step you take, no matter how small, is a step towards financial freedom. Budgeting is not about perfection, it's about progress and finding what works best for you. Before you go, remember, your financial journey is personal. What works for one person might need some tweaking for you. The important part is to begin. Start with these simple hacks and watch how your money slowly starts working for you instead of against you. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your own budgeting hacks in the comments. Let's build a future where money is a tool, not a source of stress.